Hi, Eric again here with MedEquipmentDirect.com, and today I'll be showing you a little bit about the EverFlo Q Respironics Concentrator, and I'd like to show you some of the features. I've received many questions concerning how you change the filters, how you even put on a humidifier bottle. So today I'd like to take that time to show you how to do that, whether you're researching on how to do that or you're just researching on buying a concentrator. I'd like to show you some of these features. So first and foremost, obviously you already have it plugged in, and here's your power button. It's your on and off switch. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. And this, being the EverFlo Q, is the quietest oxygen concentrator on the market right now. And then right here you have your flow meter, which looks like the thermometer here, and you have this knob where you can go greater than or less than according to the symbol here on the knob itself. Obviously, if you go to the greater than symbol, it's going to go up in the flow. You go the opposite way, of course it goes down. And the way you know it's correctly on the liter flow you need is when the bottom of the ball is matched to the top of the number of the liter flow that your doctor has prescribed for you. So that's pretty simple. We turn it around here. You see this compartment right here. It has this removable face, and so what we're going to do is we're just going to open that up right here. Here is your filter itself, so what we're going to do is we'll turn it off. And then we recommend that you change your filters at least twice in a year, once every 6 months or so. The filter literally pops out just like this. We also sell these on our website at MedEquipmentDirect.com. And if you ever need more of these, please feel free to log on to our website, and you can get it out there at the checkout. But once you've pulled it out and you've gotten the new filter right out of the package, you're just going to come here. You see this little port. This is the end that you know goes into the machine itself, right at that little hole. So we're just going to go just like this, and we'll pop it in just as easy as that. While we have this open, you'll see this hose that's conveniently placed right here on the back. This is for your humidifier bottle. So once you have this out, you'll take your humidifier bottle here, take it out of its package. You'll unscrew the top, and then you see here the maximum line and the minimum line. So it's best to always fill it up somewhere in between that line. If you live in a hotter or more dry climate, obviously this will vaporize much quicker than if you're in a more humid, but anywhere within here is going to be just fine. We recommend that you use distilled water. Tap water often gets little floaties into your oxygen tubing, and we don't want that. So we'll just fill it up here right about the halfway point, and that's just fine. You're going to screw your top back on. Make sure as you screw it on that you screw it on straight. That way there's no air leaking out of either of the sides of your humidifier bottle. So once we have it on, this spot right here where the Velcro strap is, your bottle will fit right there, and then you'll just strap it there nice and secure, just like that. Then you're going to take your hose that you found at the back of your compartment, and you're going to screw it right on here to the top. And also make sure these threads are very unevenly and very straight, because you don't want it cockeyed one way or the other where the oxygen might leak out of. Once you have that on, the other end of the tube is going to go here to the nozzle where the oxygen comes out of the machine. And the way it works is oxygen will come out of here from the machine. Oxygen obviously flows through this tube, comes into the water, humidifies the water, and comes back out the port where you're going to put your tube at, or your cannula. So for this purpose, we're just going to use a 7-foot cannula, and that's just going to plug right onto the end here, and there you go. Now you have humidified oxygen. So again, this is just basic features of your EverFlo Q. The EverFlo, the regular EverFlo, is just the same way. Same thing with changing out the filters and the humidifier bottles. Everything's the same on that. So I hope that answers some of the questions for you that some of y'all have asked, and I hope it gave you some information that you might have been seeking. But if you are interested in purchasing this equipment, just log on to our website, MedEquipmentDirect.com. Go to the Oxygen Concentrator tab. Once you're there, you'll see a spot for either home concentrators or portable concentrators. You'll just click onto the home concentrator spot. Once you click on that, you'll see a variety of different concentrators that we have on there, as well as the EverFlo Q. So I hope that answered some questions for you. If you have any more questions, please feel free to subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Once you've done that, you can comment and ask any questions. We'll be glad to help you.